Good day and good life to all our viewers out there. Again, this is your kapuyat tatay, Tatay Maya. Welcome back to our channel. Family-oriented videos captured at real life. Small moments, big memories. In today's fast and furious world, we rarely have the opportunity to relax and spend quality time with our family. And even when we could afford the time, we usually waste that sitting in front of our phones or computers. This new culture has not only affected our health, but also our family bonds, something that can still be fixed with a bit of family outdoor activities. Outdoor activities will not only strengthen family bonding, but also help create amazing memories. So in this video, we will learn some reasons why outdoor activities are very important to the family. First, strengthen family bond. Having a family picnic or playing different games can create a fantastic bond between family members. It's not about quantity, but quality. You can take out only a little time from your tight schedule and still make the most of it. Second, improves physical health. You wouldn't want to spend your leisure time lying in bed all day using your phone and become obese. Certainly, I won't have to describe what is the importance of exercise or the importance of physical fitness. Participating in recreational activities, especially outdoor ones, will help you and your family stay in tip-top shape. Third, enhance different skills. Enjoying outdoor activities with your family will help you to build different skills. You get to have greater communication skills, leadership skills, and team management skills. Your family members are one of your greatest strength factors, so the more time you spend with them, the more you feel refreshed and satisfied. Fourth, reduce mental stress. A calm and peaceful mind is important to function normally. Outdoor recreational activities are the best way to lower tense feelings, reduce mental stress, and relieve anxiety. Recreational activities with your loved ones will reduce tension and stress and help you stay satisfied. And lastly, create beautiful memories. Memories have the power to give you comfort, warmth, and a feeling of belonging. You can relive proud moments, happiness, and special times, which will help you through the tough times of your life. Memories help to preserve your identity, your legacy, and not to mention the impact on your life and the lives of your family members. This is where our video ends. Again, this is your kapuyat tatay saying, families that play together stay together. If you enjoy our video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye-bye!